This is the repair manual for the 2004 Toyota Sienna. Also, you can get different engine types, but this engine, I have this vehicle, so I got this one. But you have a collision repair manual, glass breakage sensor, Toyota brake system, electrical circuit diagnostics, body electrical diagnostics, electronic computer controlled systems, air conditioning, climate control, smart key system, telematics, parts and information diagrams, and wiring diagrams. I wanted to show you guys, they have really good wiring diagrams here. And these diagrams are for the brakes, the electrical, engine, HVAC, lighting, restraints, transmission, axle. But they have, so you can go in the brake system. You have ABS, wiring diagram. It's really good. You can zoom in. Let's see. You can zoom in if you want, zoom out, zoom in, and go around, zoom out. So it's really good. These manuals are really complete. They have wiring diagrams. So let's go back to this, the air conditioning, climate control, engine control systems 2. It's a course. So this looks like the factory manual that Toyota uses. So this is the factory manual, and it's really, really good information, in depth. Chapter 4, O2 sensor diagnostics. All right, download below. There's a link in the description to download or get access to this whole manual, all of the manual from labor times, parts information and diagnostics. Let's see, cooling system, thermostat housing. And this goes through the part number for the thermostat housing. And kind of the price for North America. All right. Click the link below to get access to this factory manual.